Since I have regularly been uploading on YouTube, I've been following Ali Abdal's YouTube strategy for beginners. But come 2023, he updated the strategy, and in it, it seems that I've leveled up. In Ali Abdal's video, The Curious Guide to Starting YouTube, he laid down his 3-level framework into becoming a YouTuber. Get going, or what I'll call testing waters. Get good, or what I'll call honing skills. And get smart, or what I'll call strategize. This is the foundational framework of his YouTube strategy, and it hasn't changed to this day. However, he used to say that get going will take around 30 videos and get good will take around 50 videos. I never questioned this, as this is even in line with what Mr. Beast is saying.
All you need to do, this applies to people who have not uploaded videos but have dreams of being a YouTuber, is make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that.
But at the advent of 2023, he uploaded this video. This is how I'd start a YouTube channel in 2023. In it, he revised the number of videos required in each level. In Get Going, he revised the number of videos required from 30 down to 3. And in Get Good, he revised the number of videos from 50 down to 7. As this is my 5th video, that means I've graduated past the first level, which is Get Going. Which makes sense, as I have already crossed that threshold into starting my channel and making it active. But before I level up, I have a choice to make. Either I will break up with YouTube, or continue the relationship casually or seriously. My schedule will drastically change next month, but I think I'll give it a go. I'm committing to a serious relationship with YouTube and will endeavor to upload at least 1 video per week, which levels me up into the Get Good of the strategy framework. And here, things get a little serious. The idea in Get Good is to improve in filmmaking in all of its aspects, 1 video at a time. In this level, we will not be dealing with niche yet, so you can film about anything under the sun. But here's the thing. In Ali's new video, I have 7 videos in all to get good before I face the ultimate choice. But in the old paradigm, in the Get Good level, there is an emphasis on quantity over quality. The idea is quality is easier to achieve in proportion to the quantity produced. If you just improve your video 1% at a time, it will go a long way to achieving quality. In this case, 50 videos will do the work, it seems. So what does this do to my strategy? Which do I follow? Simple. Beyond 7 videos, improving 1 video at a time, I will just go on until I'm ready to face the ultimate choice. If I'm ready to treat YouTube as a business as opposed to a hobby. In other words, if I'm ready to strategize to monetize my channel. So, I have leveled up from level 1 to level 2 of the 3-level YouTube strategy. Click on this video if you want to see where I've leveled up from. Now that I've leveled up, I'm looking forward to making more fun videos. Hope you like them. Bye!